Hi everyone, it's Hannah from Supplies for Candles, and today we are going to be making designer-inspired perfume with the fragrance Aventus. It's really easy to do, really simple. All you need is a few ingredients. We have got Aventus fragrance, perfumer's alcohol, which is your base, a measuring cup for mixing, scissors to trim our perfume cap and lid, a lid for the bottle, and a perfume bottle, and that's all you need. And all of these items can be purchased from our website. So the first step you're going to do is take your fragrance oil and just double check that it is suitable for perfume making. If you're unsure on how to do this, we have a video on our channel about how to read IFRAs. So take your perfume. We're going to make an eau de parfum, and in order for it to be classed as an eau de parfum, you need to have 20% fragrance oil in your mixture. So for the sake of ease, I am going to measure 20 ml of fragrance and 80 ml of perfumer's alcohol to create 100 ml. Okay, so we have measured out 100 ml of mixture, like I said, 80 ml of perfumer's alcohol base and 20 ml of fragrance, which will mean this is classed as an eau de parfum. And then I'm just going to give it a little stir to make sure that those ingredients are well mixed. So as you can see, this is a little bit too long for the bottle, so I'm just going to trim it down. There we go, that's about right. Obviously you want to make sure it reaches to the bottom so that you get all your perfume out. I'm not quite going to fill it to top, because obviously you've got to allow for the pump. There we go. It is that simple to make a bottle of designer-inspired perfume. This is in the fragrance Aventus, and Aventus retails for about £200 to £300, I think, for a bottle. So much cheaper, much more effective, really great as a birthday gift for friends and family. Or if you want to sell them, just remember you will need a CPSR because this is classed as a cosmetic because it goes on skin.